Hi, I'm Neil Brown and welcome to Snorkel's Toolbox. Today we're going to be talking about the service and maintenance of the Snorkel TM12. All maintenance information and check sheets can be found on the platform. Let's get started. On delivery of your machine, it will come with a PDI pre-delivery inspection sheet. This must be filled in and completed and returned to Snorkel within 15 days. This information helps Snorkel to improve product quality and future development. Preventive maintenance checks can be found in the parts and service manual or on Snorkel's platform. This will cover you for daily, 50 hours or 30 days, 250 hours, 6 monthly, 1,000 hours, 2 years preventive maintenance checks. Again, I'm Neil Brown, Snorkel Product Support Department, and that concludes the service and maintenance on the Snorkel TM12. Thank you for watching and come back to the toolbox for more helpful content.